If you're looking for the best barbecue charcoal grill, you know the struggle. Most of them either rust out in a season or can't hold a steady temp to save their lives. I actually went out and grabbed 5 of the most popular models to see which ones actually hold up when the coals are hot.
Product number 1, Weber Original Kettle Premium 22-inch. When I first rolled this premium version of the Weber kettle onto my patio, the first thing I noticed was the weight of the porcelain enameled lid. It feels solid, not like that cheap thin metal you find at big box stores. One of my favorite upgrades here is the hinged cooking grate. It's a lifesaver when you're doing a long smoke and need to drop in more charcoal without moving all your meat around. While testing this out, the built-in thermometer was surprisingly accurate compared to my handheld probe. It takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. But the real win for me is the one-touch cleaning system. On the standard models, ash just flies everywhere, but this one has that high-capacity enclosed ash catcher. I just swiped the lever and all the mess dropped into the bucket instead of blowing all over my shoes. I managed to fit 13 burgers on here at once, and the heat retention was impressive. The temp stayed rock steady thanks to those rust-resistant dampers. The glass-reinforced handles didn't get nearly as hot as I expected, which is great because I usually forget my gloves. If you're someone who grills every weekend and hates the messy cleanup that comes with charcoal, this is easily the one to get. It's that perfect balance of the classic kettle flavor with a few modern perks that just make life easier.
Product number 2, Weber Original Kettle 22-inch. Setting this up felt like a trip down memory lane. It's the classic silhouette we've all seen, but after using it for a few backyard sessions, I realized why it's still around. The build quality is basically identical to the premium, same porcelain coating that won't peel or rust, but it's stripped back to the essentials. I noticed right away that instead of the enclosed bucket, this one has the open aluminized ash catcher. It still gets the job done, you just have to be a bit more careful if it's a windy day. The 22-inch surface is massive. I threw a whole pile of wings on there and still had room to move things around for indirect heat. Controlling the temperature felt really intuitive. Those aluminum dampers at the top and bottom let me dial in the airflow perfectly. I also really appreciated the lid hook inside. It sounds like a small thing, but being able to hang the lid off the side of the bowl instead of putting it on the grass is huge. The wheels are sturdy enough to handle my bumpy lawn without feeling like they're going to snap off. This is the grill for the purist. If you don't care about the fancy ash bucket or the hinged grate, and you just want a dependable workhorse that'll likely last you a decade or more, this is the smart buy. It's proof that sometimes the original design is hard to beat.
Product number 3, Weber Jumbo Joe 18-inch. When I picked up the Jumbo Joe, I was surprised by how light it felt for its size. It's basically the Goldilocks of portable grills. I took this one down to the lake last weekend, and the tuck-and-carry lid lock is a total win. It snaps over the lid so you can carry the whole thing like a suitcase, but it also acts as a lid holder while you're cooking, so the wind doesn't blow your heat away. I noticed the 18-inch grate gives you way more cooking space than those tiny Smoky Joe models. I fit a full rack of ribs on here by cutting them in half, which is wild for a portable unit. The porcelain enameled finish is just as tough as the full-sized kettles, so I didn't worry about it getting banged up in the back of my truck. Testing it out, the airflow was great. I got those coals glowing red hot in about 15 minutes. The ash catcher is a simple plate on the bottom, which is fine for camping, though you'll want to make sure it's cooled down before you dump it. If you're a big fan of tailgating or camping, but you're tired of cramped cooking surfaces, this gives you that full-sized grilling experience in a package you can actually carry. It's definitely my go-to for any trip where food is the main event.
Product number 4, Gas One 14-inch portable grill. I'll be honest, when I first saw the Gas One, I thought it might be too small, but once I got it out of the box, the red finish really popped. It's a 14-inch setup, so it's very compact. I noticed the 3-point locking lid right away. It feels very secure. I latched it down and shook it a bit, and nothing rattled, which is exactly what you want if you're taking this on a boat or a bumpy trail. During my test cook, I was actually impressed by the dual venting system. Usually these small grills have one vent and call it a day, but having two lets you actually manage the heat. I threw some steaks on, and the 150 square inch surface was plenty for 2 people. It even has a little warming rack inside, which is a rare find on a grill this size. I used it to toast some buns while the meat finished up. The ash catcher underneath is a nice touch for keeping your campsite clean. It's not a heavy-duty smoker, but for a quick park lunch or a solo camping trip, it's incredibly convenient. If you're tight on space, maybe you have a small balcony or a packed trunk, this little red unit is a solid, budget-friendly choice that gets the job done with any fuss. It's simple, effective, and honestly kind of fun to use.
Product number 5, Oklahoma Joe's Rambler. Handling the Rambler for the first time, I could tell this thing is a beast. It's a tabletop grill, but it's made of heavy-duty steel that feels like it could survive a move in a cement mixer. My favorite feature by far is the adjustable charcoal tray. I used the side handles to crank the coals right up under the cast iron grates for a heavy sear on some ribeyes, then lowered them down to let some thick burgers cook through slowly. The cast iron grates are the real deal. They hold heat like crazy and gave me those professional-looking sear marks you usually only get on a massive rig. I also noticed the glow-in-the-dark accents on the temp gauge, which came in handy when my backyard session ran into the evening. The lid handle has a thick rubber grip, so I never felt like I was going to burn myself, even when the grill was cranking at 500 degrees. Cleaning was a breeze because the ash pan pulls out like a drawer, no tilting the grill over or reaching inside. It's definitely heavier than the other portables, so you won't want to carry it miles into the woods, but for a tailgate or a patio table, it's unmatched. If you want a small grill that performs like a professional offset smoker, this is the one. It's built like a tank and treats temperature control with the respect it deserves.
That's the lineup. Whether you want the classic Weber experience or the heavy-duty power of the Rambler, you really can't go wrong with these. If you want to check the latest prices or grab one for yourself, I've put the links in the description below. Happy grilling!